In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download 1Password. 1Password is a powerful password manager that helps keep your digital life secure. It stores your logins, credit card details, and secure notes all in one place. Plus, it works seamlessly across Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and various browsers. Let's dive right in. First, open your App Store. If you're using an Android device, you'll want to access the Google Play Store. For those on an iPhone or iPad, navigate to the App Store. This is your gateway to finding and downloading the apps you need. Next, you'll need to search for the app. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Here, type 1Password Password Manager. Be sure to spell it correctly to get the right results. This step is crucial because a simple typo could lead you to an entirely different app. Once you've entered the search term, you'll see a list of results. Select the official 1Password app from the list. It's important to check that the app is published by AgileBits Inc. This ensures you're downloading the authentic application and not a counterfeit. Using the official app keeps your data secure and ensures you receive updates and support. Now it's time to install the app. If you're on an Android device, you'll see an install button. Tap it. For iOS users, the button will say Get. Tap that. Then wait for the download and installation process to complete. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is done, you'll be ready to move forward. After the app has been installed, open it up. This is where you'll set up your 1Password account. If you already have an account, sign in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to create one. During the setup, you may be asked for a secret key and password. Make sure to have these ready. This step is essential because it ensures only you have access to your account. An important insight to remember during setup: 1Password not only manages your passwords but also keeps them encrypted and safe. This level of security is why choosing the right app is vital. By sticking to the official AgileBits Inc. version, you're ensuring the highest level of protection for your data. As you go through the setup steps, follow any instructions provided by the app. This may include additional security measures or personalization options. Take your time to understand each prompt. Doing so will help you make the most of what 1Password has to offer. Remember, the setup process is designed to guide you through securing your digital information effectively. Finally, you've successfully downloaded and set up 1Password. You now have a robust tool to manage your passwords and secure your sensitive information. With 1Password, you can safely navigate the digital world without the stress of remembering every password. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with using 1Password. Until next time, stay secure.